Introducing the QCMF-100 Torque Tester, an accurate and durable testing solution from the renowned Advanced Witness series. This low-cost tester combines great accuracy, high quality, and ease of use, making it an indispensable tool for calibration and verification of torque tools. With the added ability to integrate data management features, the QCMF-100 further enhances your quality control processes. The QCMF-100 boasts a bidirectional accuracy of 0.5% of the indicated reading, ensuring precise and reliable torque measurements. For applications demanding even higher precision, an accuracy of plus 0.25% is available at an additional cost. The tester supports 8 engineering units, including Oz, IN, LB, IN, LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, kgFCM, GFCM, and kgFM. This versatility allows you to seamlessly adapt to different measurement requirements and industry standards. The QCMF-100 offers 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak. These modes enable you to capture various torque values based on your specific testing needs, providing comprehensive analysis and documentation. Powered by NIM rechargeable batteries, this torque tester delivers 8-10 hours of continuous use, ensuring uninterrupted operation throughout your testing sessions. The included battery charger guarantees convenient and efficient recharging. The QCMF-100 is housed in a rugged, machined aluminum case that ensures durability and extended service life. Its compact and lightweight design, 3.25L x 3.125W x 3.75H, allows for easy handling and portability. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the QCMF-100 Torque Tester. Designed to facilitate calibration or verification of torque tools, this tester combines affordability, accuracy, and versatility. Invest in the QCMF-100 and experience precise and reliable torque measurements, empowering you to meet the highest quality standards in your assembly processes.